Breakfast at the hotel. Good morning. Welcome to breakfast.
Uh, Good morning. This is breakfast?
Yes, this is our breakfast area.
I am not sure what to do.
No problem. I can help you.
Oh, thank you. That helps a lot.
You can take a tray here.
Okay. I take one tray.
Then choose food from the table.
Is this eggs and bread?
Yes, eggs, toast, and fruit.
Can I take coffee too?
Yes, coffee is over there.
I like tea more, maybe.
Tea is next to the coffee.
Oh, good. I see it now.
You can sit anywhere you like.
Anywhere? Not a special table?
No, any table is fine.
Okay. I sit by the window.
That is a nice spot.
Yes, I like the view.
Enjoy your breakfast.
Thank you. I feel better now.
The air conditioning is broken. Good afternoon. How can I help you today?
Hi, my room feels very hot right now.
Oh, I'm really sorry about that problem.
The air conditioning, it is not working properly.
I see. That must feel very uncomfortable for you.
Yes, I tried to turn it on again.
Did you check the control on the wall?
I pressed the buttons, but nothing changed.
Okay, let me check it for you quickly.
Thank you. I really appreciate your help.
Yes, I can see the system is not working.
It is too warm. I cannot relax or sleep.
I truly apologize for this inconvenience.
Is there any way to fix it soon?
It may take a few hours to repair.
Oh, that is a bit difficult for me.
Don't worry, I have another option for you.
Oh, really? What can we do now?
I can move you to a cooler room today.
That sounds much better for me. Thank you.
I will prepare your new room key now.
Thank you. This helps me a lot today.
You're welcome. Please come with me. Lost luggage. Good evening. How can I help you today?
Hi, I've lost my suitcase.
Oh, I see. That must be stressful.
My suitcase, it did not arrive with me.
I see. When did you arrive at the airport?
I waited at the airport, but nothing came.
Calm. Did you report it at the airport desk?
Yes, I spoke to someone there.
That's good. Did they give you a report number?
Yes, I have it here on my phone.
Great. That will help us check the status.
I have no clothes and no charger.
Don't worry. We can help you with basics.
Really? What can I do now?
We can contact the airline for updates.
Okay, I just want my bag back soon.
It usually arrives within 1 or 2 days.
I hope so. I need it tomorrow.
We can also offer a small emergency kit.
That sounds helpful. Thank you so much.
You're welcome. Let me arrange that for you.
Thank you. I feel a bit better now.
Ordering a taxi at the hotel. Good evening. How can I help you today?
Hi, I need a taxi, please.
Of course. Where do you want to go?
To the airport, please.
Sure. What time do you need it?
Maybe in 30 minutes, I think.
No problem. Do you prefer a regular taxi or Uber?
A regular taxi is fine.
Okay, I can call one for you now.
Thank you. That is very helpful.
Sure. What's your name for the booking?
My name is Ryan Thompson.
Thank you, Mr. Thompson. The taxi will arrive soon.
Really? How long will it take?
Usually around 10 minutes in this area.
Okay, I can wait here then.
Yes, you can sit at the lobby until it comes.
Thanks. I feel less worried now.
You're welcome. Have a safe trip.
Thank you. I hope the traffic is good.
Buying a gift. Good morning. Can I help you find something?
Hi, I want to buy a gift.
Of course. Who is the gift for?
It is for my sister.
Great. What does she like?
She likes books and small things.
Okay. We have some nice books here.
Really? Can I see that one?
Yes, of course. This one is very popular.
It looks nice, but maybe too big.
No problem. We also have small gift sets.
Oh, that sounds perfect. Thank you.
Do you want me to wrap it for you?
Yes, please. That would be good.
Sure. I'll wrap it nicely for your sister.
Thanks. I hope she will like it.
I'm sure she will be very happy.
Okay, then I will take it now.
Perfect. Let's go to the counter together. Saturday morning. Good morning. How's your Saturday so far?
Hi, it is okay. Still waking up.
That's normal. Would you like some coffee?
Yes, please. I need a strong one.
Sure. Black or with milk?
Black, I think.
Great. Do you want a pastry with it?
Oh, maybe a croissant if it is fresh.
Yes, just baked this morning.
Really? It smells so good here.
Thank you. Would you like a table or takeaway?
A table, please.
Perfect. You can sit by the window.
Thanks. I like the sunlight there.
I will bring your coffee and croissant.
Thank you. This makes my morning better.
You're welcome. Enjoy your Saturday morning.
I will. This is relaxing.
Coffee together. Good morning. Would you like some coffee today?
Hi, yes, maybe a small one.
Sure. Do you like it black or with milk?
With milk, please. Not too strong.
Perfect. Any sugar or sweetener?
Just a little sugar, please.
Okay, I'll prepare it for you.
Can I also have a cookie with it?
Of course. We have chocolate or oatmeal.
Chocolate. I like chocolate.
Great choice. I'll bring it to your table.
Thank you. That's very kind of you.
No problem. Do you want a quiet table?
Yes, please. By the window, maybe.
Perfect. You can enjoy the sunlight too.
Thanks. It looks nice here.
Here is your coffee and chocolate cookie.
Thank you. It smells amazing.
Enjoy. Do you come here often?
Not really. This is my first time.
I hope you like it. Our cafe is cozy.
Yes, it feels very relaxing.
That's good to hear. Would you like water too?
Oh, yes, please. A small one.
Here you go. Can I bring anything else?
No. This is perfect for now.
Enjoy your coffee time today.
I will. This is a nice break.
I'm glad. Come again anytime. By the lake. Hello. Nice day to be by the lake.
Hi. Yes, it is very beautiful here.
The water looks calm today, doesn't it?
Yes. It is very clear and quiet.
Do you often visit lakes like this?
Not really. This is my first time.
You will enjoy it. Many people relax here.
Oh, it feels very peaceful already.
Good. You can sit on that bench.
Thanks. I like the view of the water.
Sometimes we see ducks swimming near the shore.
Really? Are there many ducks here?
Yes, especially in the morning and evening.
I wish I could stay longer. It is nice.
You can walk along the path for more views.
Maybe I will. How far is it?
About 10 minutes to the small bridge.
Oh, that sounds perfect for photos.
Yes, many visitors take pictures there.
I will. Thank you for the suggestion.
You're welcome. Would you like some coffee after the walk?
Yes, that would be very nice.
Great. There's a café just near the parking lot.
Perfect. I can rest after the walk then.
Enjoy the lake. Take your time.
I will. It is a wonderful place.
The guitar. Hello. Can I help you find a guitar today?
Hi, yes, I want to try one.
Great. Are you looking for acoustic or electric?
Acoustic, I think.
Perfect. We have a few nice models here.
Really? Can I see that one?
Of course. This one is very popular.
It looks nice. Is it easy to play?
Yes, it's good for beginners and also pros.
I hope I can play it well.
Don't worry. I can show you some simple chords.
Oh, that would help a lot. Thank you.
Here, hold it like this and strum gently.
Like this?
Yes, that's good. Try a simple C chord now.
Okay, I think I did it right.
Perfect. You are learning quickly.
Really? I didn't expect that.
Music is fun when you practice a little.
Can I try another guitar too?
Of course, this one has a brighter sound.
Oh, I like this one better.
You can take your time and test it fully.
Thanks. I feel more confident now.
You're welcome. Music suits everyone. Barbecue together. Hi, I'm glad you came today.
Hi, thank you for inviting me.
No problem. Are you hungry already?
Yes, it smells amazing here.
Good. I just started the grill.
Wow, you cook often like this?
Yes, on weekends, I love barbecue.
Oh, I only try sometimes at home.
That's okay. I can show you some tips.
Really? You will teach me?
Yes. First, check the heat of the grill.
It is hot already, right?
Perfect. Now place the burgers carefully.
Okay, like this?
Yes. Turn them slowly after a few minutes.
Can I try flipping one?
Sure. Be careful, it's hot.
I think I did it right.
Excellent. You are a natural at this.
Really? I didn't expect that.
Now let's grill some vegetables too.
Oh, I like vegetables on barbecue.
Great. You can put them on this side.
Thanks. I feel like I'm learning a lot.
You're welcome. Barbecue is more fun together.
Yes, I enjoy this time a lot.